Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PayPal card reader. First, download the PayPal Here app and ensure it's up to date on your smartphone or tablet. Next, power on your card reader and pair it with your device using Bluetooth or plug it into the audio jack for older models. Finally, log into your PayPal business account through the app to link your reader. Make sure your reader has sufficient battery, offering up to 8 hours of use. To process a payment, open the PayPal Here app and input the sale amount or choose items from your inventory. Then, hand the card reader to your customer. They can simply tap their contactless card, insert a chip card, or swipe a magnetic stripe card. Once the payment is processed, confirm the details on your screen. You can then easily send a digital receipt to your customer via email or text message. Managing your sales is straightforward. Within the PayPal Here app, navigate to the Activity or Transactions section to view a comprehensive history of all your processed payments. Here, you can review individual sales, including the payment method used and specific item details. If necessary, you can also process refunds or void transactions directly from this screen, adhering to PayPal's clear guidelines. The app also allows you to generate sales reports, helping you track your business performance effectively. For the smoothest experience, always keep both your card reader and mobile device fully charged. A stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data, is crucial for reliable transaction processing. Regularly clean the card reader's chip slot and swipe area with a soft cloth to prevent reading errors. If you encounter any issues, remember that PayPal offers extensive support resources and troubleshooting guides to help you quickly resolve common problems and keep your business running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.